If you want to know how to italic text in Gamma app quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to make text italic inside Gamma, whether you're editing a presentation, a document, or a site. This is one of those small formatting tricks that can make your content look much cleaner, more polished, and more professional in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign in to your Gamma account. Once you're logged in, open the Gamma project you want to edit, whether that's a presentation, a document, or a site. After your file opens, click directly inside the text area where you want to make changes. This is important because Gamma only lets you format text after you've selected the exact content you want to edit. Next, highlight the specific words or sentence you want to turn italic. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the text, just like you would in most editors. Once your text is selected, look at the text toolbar that appears. From there, click the italic option, and Gamma will immediately apply italic styling to the selected text. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac. This is a super fast way to format text without using the mouse, and it's especially helpful if you're editing a lot of content. After you use the shortcut or the toolbar option, you'll see the selected text change into italic style right away. At that point, you can click anywhere else in your Gamma file to continue editing or apply more formatting as needed. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to italic text in Gamma app. It only takes a few clicks, but it can really improve the design and readability of your content. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.